Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back, bienvenidos. My name is Laura for those who are new to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how I created this look. This look is perfect for the holidays, for an event, for any occasion. And also, I will be showing you how to use the new Huda Beauty Melted Shadows, which is what I'm wearing today. So I will be listing all the products down in my description box, so don't worry about that. And if you guys are ready, then let's keep on watching. I like to start by moisturizing my skin, and I'm gonna be using this Olay Regenerist. This is a great moisturizer, but you guys can also use any moisturizer at home. Next, I'm gonna be using this serum oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face as well, because that really gives such a great finish for your foundation. Next, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way foundation. This is a medium coverage by Too Faced. Hands down is one of my favorite foundations at the moment because it gives such a natural finish. Also, it makes my skin look very nice and smooth. Using my Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over under my eyes, on my forehead, on my upper lip, my chin, and I already said my forehead. And go ahead and use the same beauty blender, which is damp, and go ahead and blend that all over those areas that you applied the concealer. This concealer is one of my favorite drugstore concealers because it's so easy to work with, and also because it highlights the areas that you really need to highlight. It does the job. This is one of my favorite concealers from the drugstore. I like to set my under eye with some translucent powder. This is by Rimmel, and it's a little lighter than any other translucent powders. I like to use this on the areas that creases the most, which is my under eye, on my upper lip. I'm using a different Marcelle now, and I like to apply that translucent powder all over my eye crease just to get it ready for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Modern Resonance in the shade Buon Fresco. So that's the first thing I like to apply all over my eye crease. Go ahead and blend that all over your eye crease. And go ahead and do that on your other eye as well. Next, I like to use the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows, which is one of my favorites at the moment. I was actually very excited to try these. I'm gonna be using the matte side first, and with a blending brush, go ahead and blend that all over your eye crease. I like to start from the outer corner and then going in the inner corner of my eye, making sure it's completely blended and ready to go. Next, I'm going to be using the metallic side, which is a very cute pinkish color, and I like to cut my crease with this one. So I will be starting from the inner corner of my eye and just slightly creating a curvature on my eyelid. And this is just such a beautiful pink. I really like this shade. And just to deepen up the corners, the outer corners of my eye, I'm gonna be using this shade from the same palette from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills in the shade Cypress Amber. Anyways, I like to use this on the outer corner of my eye just to deepen it up. I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. This is in the shade Black, and go ahead and just create a nice eye wing, and this all depends on how you feel it. Now I'm gonna go in with this flat brush and also some concealer just to clean up those areas under my eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same matte from the Liquid Shadows Huda Beauty under my eyes and go ahead and blend that all out. I'm gonna be using today this NYX Cosmetics mascara, Worth the Hype and it's definitely worth the hype, you guys. I am loving this mascara. It just gives such a great volume to your lashes, and it's very nice. Also, it doesn't crumble, which is a very big deal for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and use these Lilly lashes. So what I'm doing here is I'm just setting my foundation and also my concealer using the same translucent powder. Next, I'm gonna be go ahead and contouring my face. I'm gonna be using the Essence Contour Palette, and using the dark shade, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that all over my cheekbones, on my forehead, and also go ahead and just create some definition to your nose. So I'm gonna be contouring my nose as well. And then you can also grab a little bit of the blush. It's like a pinkish blush, and I am giving some color to those cheeks. And go ahead with the NYX Cosmetic Setting Spray and set all that in. That's gonna make your foundation, your look last way longer. Go ahead and use the highlighter by Too Faced. I am loving this highlighter. It's just such an effortless highlight. Go ahead and use it on top of your cheekbones, on your forehead, on your eyebrow bone, and you know what? Go crazy with it. Such a gorgeous highlighter. Next, I'm gonna be using the NYX Cosmetics lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Baby Doll. And I feel like my eyes are already very dramatic, so I wanted to keep my lip a little nude. So this shade was just the perfect one. I am loving my lips. So this is the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Ciao, ciao.